Are you ready to unlock the power of AI and create a life of freedom and abundance? Imagine this. Waking up every morning to find your online business has been working for you while you slept, generating sales and building your income on autopilot. This isn't a fantasy, it's the reality of AI-powered affiliate marketing. Now you might be thinking, AI sounds complicated, I'm not a tech person. But trust me, this is easier than you think. With the right tools, anyone can leverage the power of AI to build a thriving online business, even with zero experience. Here's the secret: faceless affiliate marketing. You don't need to be an influencer, show your face, or even create your own content. Instead, you'll leverage AI to do the heavy lifting. First, head over to oneclickvids.com. This incredible tool lets you create stunning, engaging videos with just a few clicks. No more staring at a blank screen wondering what to say. Simply enter your topic and AI generates a captivating video for you. Schedule these videos across multiple social media accounts all at once. Watch as your audience grows, eager to learn more about the solutions you offer. But that's just the beginning. Next, visit funnelsforever.com. This platform is your secret weapon for turning followers into buyers. Build high-converting landing pages, create email lists, and automate your email marketing. Every time someone joins your list, they'll receive a sequence of emails designed to nurture their interest and promote your affiliate products. It's like having a 24/7 sales team working for you, even while you're enjoying your favorite hobbies or spending time with loved ones. Imagine the possibilities. Travel the world as a digital nomad, pursue your passions, and spend more time with family and friends, all while your AI-powered business generates income in the background. This is the future of online business, and it's available to you right now. Don't wait another day to start building your dream life. Grab your free checklist at profitpassively.com and discover the exact steps to create your own automated, faceless affiliate marketing empire. Your journey to financial freedom and location independence starts today.